Welcome back to Auto Cars, your go-to destination for everything related to cars, from the latest models to in-depth reviews. Today, we're giving you the first look at the highly anticipated 2025 model that's set to hit the market soon. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just in the market for a new ride, this video will break down all the essential details you need to know. So, let's dive in and see what's new for 2025. Overview. The 2025 model brings some exciting updates, combining sleek design with cutting-edge technology and improved performance. The refreshed exterior is eye-catching with its bold lines and modern touches, making it stand out on the road. But the changes don't stop there. Under the hood and inside, you'll find some significant upgrades that make this model a worthy successor to the previous year's version. What's new for 2025? For 2025, manufacturers have really stepped it up. The design is sportier, the tech is smarter, and the performance is more refined. The 2025 model includes updated front and rear fascia, new alloy wheel designs, and additional color options. Inside, there are upgraded materials with a more premium feel, and the dashboard layout has been optimized for easier access to controls. Pricing, engine, transmission, and performance. Pricing for the 2025 model starts at a competitive rate, positioning it as an excellent option in its class. While the exact numbers may vary depending on your location and trim level, expect it to be priced similarly to the previous year with some small increases due to the added features. Under the hood, you have a choice of engines, including a turbocharged 4-cylinder and a more powerful V6 option for those who crave performance. Transmission choices include a smooth shifting automatic, with some versions offering a manual option for enthusiasts. When it comes to performance, the 2025 model delivers a refined driving experience with better handling, more responsive acceleration, and improved braking. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. Fuel efficiency is always a priority, and the 2025 model impresses in this area. The turbocharged 4-cylinder engine achieves impressive miles per gallon, while the V6 offers solid efficiency without compromising too much on power. Real-world MPG figures are expected to be close to what the manufacturer claims, meaning you can expect great gas mileage for your everyday driving needs. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the 2025 model has been designed with comfort in mind. The seats are supportive, and there's plenty of legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. High-quality materials cover the dashboard, center console, and door panels. Cargo space is generous, providing ample room for groceries, luggage, or sports equipment. The rear seats also fold flat to expand the cargo area when needed. Infotainment and connectivity. On the tech side, the 2025 model comes equipped with an advanced infotainment system that includes a large touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and built-in navigation. There's also a premium sound system available for those who love their music on the go. Connectivity features are top-notch, ensuring that you're always connected and entertained during your drives. Safety and driver assistance features. Safety remains a top priority, and the 2025 model delivers with a full suite of driver assistance features. These include lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for enhanced visibility. The 2025 model is expected to perform well in crash tests, giving you peace of mind on every drive. Conclusion. To sum it up, the 2025 model brings a lot to the table. With its refreshed design, improved performance, enhanced technology, and robust safety features, it's clear that this car is a strong contender in its class. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, or performance, the 2025 model has something for everyone. Stay tuned to Auto Cars for more updates and in-depth reviews. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for the latest news in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.